Morning guys, how you doing? Bit of a change of scenery this morning. There's not a real lot on the charts from a technical standpoint. I wouldn't have thought expect much action today. We've got one trade open I'm holding, that's US CAD, that's short. I'm hoping that's a head and shoulder pattern that plays out. The other three pairs that I've been tentatively watching for the week aren't setting up. Pound Aussie we missed early in the week on a H1 entry, just missed a retracement entry a little bit, but that's fine. So as we stand, we're sitting in profit for the week, just under 3%, so happy days. Don't need to do any more trading than a week to be consistently profitable over the year. You don't need to be making 10% a week. I'll take 1 or 2 or 3% consistently a week. That's still going to put me in a pretty good spot at the end of the year. So that's from a technical standpoint, not much happening. From the other side of things, fundamentally, there's going to be some shift in the value of the US dollar, I would have thought. Trump's certainly talking tariffs with China at the moment, much to China's disgust, I would have thought. He's talking the $100 billion range, which is significant. So you've got two superpowers playing off their egos against each other, talking about significant tax changes, and it is going to have an effect. Now, I'm not a real fundamental trader, I'm more of a technical analyst, but I do know there's going to be some significant shift on the US value in the coming weeks. I also think tonight, so first Friday of the month, you've got non-farm payrolls coming up. For you guys that don't understand the high impact news, non-farm payrolls are one of the biggest things that affects the market. Also, we've got the interest rates. We'll talk about that in another video. So non-farm payrolls are on the American session today. It's now, 8 o'clock in the morning in Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. So probably about 20 hours away until that comes out. So I wouldn't be placing a trade unless you already have one open. If you've got an open trade, that's fine, stick with it. But if coming into non-farm payrolls, you don't want to run too tight of stop losses on your entries. The market tends to flick around a fair bit. Most people get triggered for an entry, then get stopped out. Very few people make money on the non-farm payrolls. If they do, good luck to them. I certainly never have. So, like I said, guys, just a recap. Fundamentally, non-farm payrolls, tariffs on China through the US. Technically, not a lot happening. It's Friday. Going to head out with the family for the day, not do too much. I'll talk to you over the weekend, because what I'll do is talk about last Sunday's analysis and how we ended up this week, and we'll put those two together and see what you guys think. Alright guys, happy trading, have a good day, and I'll talk to you Saturday morning. Okay guys, cheers, bye.